Hey y'all, welcome back. Very exciting day. Happy Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving Day. Just got done cleaning up the house, going over to my parents' house later to do the whole Thanksgiving dinner deal and hang out with family. But until then, I'm just too excited to not start. Behind me is the two-door GC coupe mid-engine. It's all going to be a long title. We need to come up with a nickname. But I announced in the last video that we're going to basically start cutting out the back of the car in order to be able to fit our engine and trans setup in there. If you are not following along, make sure you go click subscribe and the little notification bell right now, so that way you can keep up with all the videos as they come out. But today we're just going to get to it. We're going to kind of rip the band-aid off, start cutting. We're going to start from this little access hole right here, and I'm just going to see if I can get up to the front area, and then we're going to have to go all the way up to basically where the front bars kind of tag in there into the chassis, or the main hoop rather. So got to clean some of that up still. Obviously got some stuff to clean out of the car, but I'm just too excited. I'm gonna start cutting, see if we can get the floor pan out of here, see what kind of room we're working with. All right, so we've got our Milwaukee Sawzall. We've got a Demon carbide metal, medium metal blade. It's a 9-inch blade, so should be good. We got a full battery. We got batteries on the charger, and let's get cutting. We are done for the day. We're gonna go ahead and wrap the video there. We obviously got pretty much everything rough cut out that we need to get rough cut out. We cut up to where the seam meets for our basically like the frame of the car. There is no frame obviously, but like the frame of the body, frame of the shell. We're going to be plating that all out, so don't mind that it is split. We are going to be doing some things here to make it a lot stronger in the rear. And then we also cut out everything up here around the strut towers. So everything that was connecting that together, because we're going to be building our own braces and building it into the cage. And then obviously where like the rear speakers are, everything up here, we cut everything up to where the pinch weld meets for the trunk. I don't think I want to take that out. I don't know. It's kind of tough to call. The idea in my head is that I'd like to keep it kind of together so that way I can have at least like a Lexan rear windshield and have it, you know, give it something to bolt to. And then also obviously this is where the trunk seal is going to go. There's obviously not going to really be a whole trunk, so I might get a little creative there. I'm not quite sure how I want to go about that yet. I'm thinking could even potentially be able to cut this out all together, and then maybe even this rear section. And I still need something to tie all that together, but it might just be like the trans cross member that's going to sit back here. But then I might be able to do either like, you know, carbon trunk or even just fiberglass just for now, and then somehow attach it to like a framework and have basically the trunk and the rear windscreen, again out of Lexan, somehow in one piece. That way it all lifts off and then everything is super easy access in here. And then even again this be gone, so that way you can literally just reach over. You've got trans, you've got motor, you've got turbo, you got everything right there, really easy to access. As far as how the firewall and everything is going to work up front, I'm not quite sure what that's going to look like yet, but you know, little things that we're going to work out along the way. I'm probably going to draw some stuff up, probably going to talk to some friends, get some ideas, and really just making it like a super clean setup. That again is kind of the goal. So I want to have it really well thought out, make sure it's as easy as it can be to work on. So, but I'm going to go through here. Next video, we'll probably spend some time cleaning this up. I'm going to see if I can fix my welder. It really is just like the wire feed is an issue, so I think it might be the potentiometer in the dial there. So I'm gonna see if I can get a new one, see if I can fix it. If I can, cool. If not, you know, it is what it is. So, but yeah, that's gonna do it. Really excited about this video. We got a lot done, so I'm pretty pumped. Lots of planning from here now that we got eyes on everything. So yeah, pretty excited. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. My wife was asking me today, she's like, what are you trying to get out of YouTube? What are you trying to build out of YouTube? And so kind of just thinking about it, you know, I want to build a community. You know, I watch all these guys that do YouTube full time, and obviously they do pretty well, but my goal is to be able to like build cool stuff and, you know, maybe inspire others who haven't tried to get out of their comfort zone with like working in the garage, or, you know, whatever it is, just getting out of your comfort zone, building confidence, and just like going after it. So I want to start there, see where it goes. Obviously we are, I think we're around like 30 videos or so. I've been trying to do weekly stuff. Monday morning, I've been posting, you know, a few different times, 8 a.m. You know, might be the best. That's kind of what I've been doing. So, you know, trying to figure it out as I go, and really just, you know, like I said, build a community, you know, work with some cool folks, hopefully at some point on this project, maybe even. But yeah, so that's the goal. Just want to keep putting out content that is enjoyable, And it's kind of cool just to document it. Obviously, just like that factor alone is just pretty cool, and just building a car. So you can go back and watch it later, stuff like that. Stuff's gonna be around forever, hopefully. So, but yeah, I'll stop blabbing. I'll let you go. Hope you have a great day. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I just started posting on TikTok, which is very new to me. So trying to do that to drum up some noise with the mid-engine build. So yeah, again, appreciate your time. Hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.